Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And firstly, let me tell you, I have with me a student of mine, and I want to know from you what's your name. Please tell us, tell my audience who you are. A little bit of your introduction. Please tell them all.
Hello guys, my name is Pragya Sharma and I am from Jaunpur itself, and I am doing my graduation first year.
Yeah, okay. So Pragya, it looks like you are here at Jaunpur Fort, and you seem to be very happy. के फोर्ट के बारे में कुछ बताएंगी अभी?
Yes, this is very beautiful place and I am very excited to see this place.
Yeah, okay. Pragya, I'm asking you one more question. Please tell me a little bit about this institute. This institute that is Gold Classes Institute of English Language. आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए कि are you feeling better after joining this institute?
Yes, I feeling very good joining Gold Classes. This is a very good institute for all students who speak English language.
Yeah.
And
All right. So abhi one more question I have for you, Pragya. I want to know, I have seen girls of your age are not aware of the importance of English, and they think that I can speak in Hindi, but when they join a global platform or when they go somewhere else for their job purpose, or they are joining another countries for their job purpose. So please tell me, do you think it's important for them they should join it?
yeah, this is very important for all people and for girls.
Yeah, you mean to
Also-
say girls for specifically for girls it's very important.
Yes.
You mean to say. Okay, so coming to the next question of mine, language is not a foundation. You can also speak in Hindi. So मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि अभी आप you are growing up in this city that is Jaunpur, and for the first time you are here at Jaunpur Fort. तो अभी आपको कैसा शहर ये लग रहा है अभी यहाँ पे आने के बाद आपको कैसा लगा? I want to know from you for my audience.
हम सबको आना चाहिए घूमने, क्योंकि हिस्टोरिकल है तो जानने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा.
So guys, let me tell you, places like this, it comes under the Archaeological Survey of India, and whenever we enter into it, we find it that it's a place where it was created, it was built in the time of Mughals, and in that time it was created, and you should come here and to see what exactly is there. And the best part is that I can see the greenery all around, the nature and everything. I am so excited to be here, and that this institute is located in Jaunpur in particular. That's why very often I come to this place, and I am very happy to have you here, Pragya. और last question मेरा आपसे ये है, last but not the least, I want to ask you one more question. Do you think education is important for girls? शिक्षा क्या लड़कियों के लिए जरूरी है?
Yes, this is very important for all girls,
for their growth and I think
their growth and
development. Okay, so I have seen India is a country where girls always they don't get the chance to behave properly in the society. They are not given equal opportunities, I have seen, and the problem is that they are not aware of the importance of education. So Pragya, you should always keep in mind that I will be there and I will always promote education in my life, and I will be an active part of it. That is the best part. I think you should think about that. Okay, the one last question, dear audience, I want to ask dear Pragya here. So I want to know from you at the end of this conversation, what kind of institute this institute is, that is Gold Classes, and do you think we are playing a key role in the creation of the future of the students and individuals like you? So please tell me a little bit what kind of job our institute is doing for them, and do you think it's good for them or not? And please talk to me in that direction a little bit.
मुझे लगता है बहुत अच्छा है गोल्ड क्लासेस. हम सबको करना चाहिए फॉर आगे चल के सबको, अगर हम कहीं जाते हैं या फिर कहीं हम घूमने जाते हैं या फिर जॉब के लिए, बहुत सही है, करना चाहिए.
और प्रज्ञा, आपसे मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा कि अभी आप इस इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन किया और इसके पहले अभी क्या आपके अंदर कुछ चेंजेस आए हैं?
हमारे अंदर बहुत ग्रोथ हुआ है. पहले हमें कैमरा फेस करने में बहुत डर लगता था, हम नहीं कर पाते थे. तो थैंक यू सो मच सर.
ओके, I know I am doing something, you know, for my students and the beginners and learners who join me. So this is my humble effort for them, that I want to make some positive changes in their lives. So that is all about our videos, guys. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you so much.